everyone, and welcome back. Today we are trying chaffles. Yes, you hear on the internet, everybody's talking about these chaffle things. What they are is we're going to do the basic recipe, and what it is, it has egg, 2 tablespoons of almond flour, and cheese, basically, mozzarella cheese, and let me see, and a little bit of psyllium husk, which you put it in for texture. And these you can do anything with. You can eat them by themselves. You can put butter on them. You can use them as bread and make a sandwich, or put a hamburger between it. That's what people are doing with these chaffles. Then there's all kinds of dessert chaffles. So after we do the basic one, we're gonna do a churro chaffle, which is like, it has cinnamon and a little bit of monk fruit and some vanilla in it, so it makes it a little sweet. I have 5 recipes here. One is a garlic parmesan chaffle. One is a pumpkin chaffle. Let's see, the plain one, and there's a spicy jalapeno popper chaffle. So I just got a new waffle maker, so you have to bear with me. I'm gonna turn it down so you can see what we're doing. Okay, so this is a little mini, right? There's only 2 because I don't know what I'm doing. Anyways, so in this bowl, so far, we have a 1/2 cup of mozzarella, 1 large egg, which I'm gonna put in a minute, 2 tablespoons of blanched almond flour, and a 1/2 teaspoon of psyllium husk, okay? And I'm gonna show you, this is the psyllium husk, okay? You can get this at the store, it's not a big deal. I am using this type of mozzarella, but you can also use goat cheese, which is absolutely great, and a fine blanched almond flour. And you can get all this stuff at, Amazon, Whole Foods, any of those delivery places. And an egg. And we are going to mix this up. I hope it comes, oh yeah, it's coming out a little mushy. It's supposed to be. Like a little batter. It's supposed to make 2 minis. Okay, so I have an olive oil. The best thing is avocado oil because it goes to a high temperature. But this is the only spray I have right now. I have a coconut oil, but I'm afraid that that's going to be much less. We're just going to spray the griddle here. And it's sizzling. I have this on medium heat. I don't really want to go to high heat. So I'm going to try to make 2. So we're going to put this in the middle here of this one. So yeah, let's put 2 tablespoons over here. I think you can make it kind of thin. Yeah, it perfectly makes 2. Perfect, perfect, perfect. All right, and then we're gonna squish it. Right? We squish the griddle, and it's gonna take a few minutes. So while that is cooking, they said it takes 3 to 5 minutes, I think, on the griddle. Yeah, 3 minutes, okay? So we are exactly 10 after the hour, so 13 after the hour, we'll get it. Now, we're going to talk about the cinnamon sugar churro chaffle. God. So, in this bowl, I'm gonna put 1 large egg. I have 3/4 of a cup of mozzarella, 2 tablespoons of blanched almond flour, 1/2 a tablespoon of butter melted, which I will do, 2 tablespoons of erythritol, 1/2 of a teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 of a teaspoon of vanilla, 1/2 of a teaspoon of psyllium husk, 1/4 teaspoon of gluten-free baking powder, and that's it. And so now I am just gonna mix this up. And see, when it's steaming a little bit, when it stops steaming, they say that that is exactly when to take it out. But it's only been a minute so far, so not yet. And then I'm gonna mix this up, now that I have an egg in it. And so I have to melt that butter too in the microwave. See, this looks good. And then we need a little butter afterwards too. So I'm gonna take a little bit of butter out of this. Yeah, it's a little less, I think. And I'll put that over here, and I'm going to show you my monk fruits. I usually, in the baking department, I usually put the monk fruit in as a confectionery sugar brand, just because it doesn't give any aftertaste, and it really melts very well and mixes very well. On the top of the chaffle, I'm going to use this one, which is the classic, which also is granulated like sugar. Okay, this is the powdered monk fruit. You can also use Swerve or really those two, or like a stevia blend, erythritol. Those are the ones that really do not, wreak havoc with your sugar, because even though there's absolutely no, oh God, I gotta open it. There's no, oh, look at them. Holy crap. Look at that, yay. That looks absolutely divine. So now, how do I pick that up? Oh my God. These are great. Look at this. So I'm not quite. Oh, look at those chaffles. They look fabulous. All right. So let's put that down so I don't want the heat to get out. And here are the chaffles. That's how easy this is. Oh my God. It's great. Let me get the butter. And we're going to mix it right in here. About a tablespoon of melted butter in this. And they give you like a stick, but I'm using a chopstick to get them out. And see, it's green, the light is green, so that means it's heated and it's ready to go. So I'm gonna spray it again, just because, let's see, I don't wanna burn myself. Woo! I don't want it to stick in here, right? So, I think this is going to be more like 3. I'm hoping I can do it for 2. You know? 2 fluffy ones, maybe. It doesn't, I mean, those are for sandwiches, so. This is so friggin' cool. I love doing this. This is great. And it is so tasty. Here we go. So, now, when it comes out, we are gonna top it with, this is the granulated monk fruit, some cinnamon, we're gonna mix it up, and some butter, which I'm gonna melt right now. Ooh, it's still steaming, you can see it. It's coming out sides. I think I overfed it, but that's okay. We'll figure it out. And, right? Oh God. I said maybe I thought that recipe might do 3, but it didn't say that. You know? Gotta wait a couple minutes. Here's the melted butter. Mm-hmm. Oh God, it is like, it's like wet coming out, but it looks like it's the cinnamon. I didn't put extra in, I just follow the recipe. You know how sometimes this stuff happens. It's almost done. Wow, it's water, I don't know what that could be. Maybe the butter, because I put butter in that instead, you know, like the other ones. Looks like it's almost done. Ooh. Nope, not yet. Has to go a little longer. Yeah. So, as you can see, that it doesn't always come out exactly right. I would put lesser in and maybe make 3 out of this batter instead of just the 1, you know, the 2. But it's still steaming a little bit. So we have to wait. That's what they told me, that the steam is what like kind of cooks everything off. So just keep watching it. I got this little, it's so cute. It's a mini, it does 2, and it's Hamilton Beach. Very easy. I ordered it on Amazon. It came in 2 days, and I was so excited to try this waffle stuff, this chaffle. Oh, I almost burnt myself. So, alrighty. Let's see if it's ready. Yes. Oh my God, you guys. Get a load of this. Holy crap. Okay, so this is the regular. Now, are they stuck together? See, this is what might, yeah, this happens. I think I have to leave it a little longer. Yep, just a little bit longer. But see, because I overfilled it, it's like a regular waffle. It's kind of stuck together. But see how these are just cute? They are so cute. I'm hoping this one comes out straight. And see, it's still steaming. So yep. So that's how easy it is. Just put a few things together and make your chaffle. Pretty cool. Yep. It was just a little soft, and I think we want them a little crunchy. These smell good too. Yeah, it's on the sides. The steam is coming. I think they gotta go harder, because these came out nice and hard. So let's try it a little longer. I have a lot more ingredients in this one. So. All right. So I think I might end up, here's how it comes out. And then I'm gonna attach when these come out, because you guys don't need to see her and wait, but, and then I'll do the ending part, okay? All right, see you soon.